everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. So today we are going to discuss a question which is word length words. So before starting this question, I would like to request you that please go and solve the previous questions first if you haven't solved. If you have solved the previous questions, then please ignore. So in this question, what we are going to do, if you have solved the previous questions, you have already solved the question that is word scale length words 2. In that question, what we were doing was this was the string given to us, and in that question what we were doing, this string, what we were doing, we were finding we were extracting the unique string that would be abc for this, and for abc we were solving this question. All right, we were not solving this for aabbac, we were solving this question for abc. How? Let's solve this for k equals to 2. What we were doing, we have three options. We had three options there. Dash, dash. Now we have already used a. What I am trying to say is we were solving this question for ABC, that is unique string. We were solving this question for unique string. We were not solving this for original string. For ABC, A is already been used here, so we will not use A again. We will use B and C only. But in the original string, we can use A 3 times. But in unique string, we can use only one time. We can use A only one time. So we have already used A one time, so the answer will become AB, AC here, A and C, BA, C, and here we can use AB. The answer will become CA and CB. So in that question, these were the answers we were getting because we were solving to that question for unique string. But in this case, we need to solve this question for original string. How? If A is coming 3 times, then we need to use A 3 times. If B is coming 2 times, then we need to use B 2 times. We are not supposed to find the unique string and solve that for only one time. How? What I'm trying to say is, see, let's take the same example again. Solve this for k equals to 3. Unique string will be A, B, and C. But with this unique string, we will create a hash map and store the frequencies of these characters. For A, the frequency will become 1, 2, and 3. For B, it will become 2, and for C, it will become 1. Now, what we will do? We will solve this for k equals to 3. That means we have 3 spots. For k equals to 3, we have 3 spots and we have 3 options A, B, and C. Because the unique string we were getting was A, B, and C. So we have 3 options A, B, and C. For A, answer will become A dash dash, for B dash dash, and C dash dash. Alright, but here what we will do, what we will do is, we will take a hash map in which we will reduce, if we have used the A one time, then what we will do, we will reduce the frequency of A with 1. So the frequency of A will become 2 here. Here we have only used B, so the frequency of B will become 1. And here the frequency of C will become 0. Frequency of B will not change in this case, and for C also, it will not change. In this case, for frequency of A and C will not change, and in this case, frequency of A and B will not change. Why? Because here we have only used A, so it will not affect the frequency of B and C. Here it will not affect to A and C, and it will not affect to A and B in this case. So C. I will just write that B is equals to 2 and C is equals to 1. here a is equals to 3 and c equals to 1, and here a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 2, so that you will not get confused. All right, now the frequencies are greater than 0. That means no any frequency is reduced till 0, till it becomes 0. So we can use all the three characters again. So we are going to use all the three characters again, A, B, and C. Here again we can use all three characters, A, B, and C. A, B, and C. But here frequency of C is equals to 0. So we can only use A and B. We cannot use C again because C was coming only once in the original string. So we cannot use C more than one time. Alright. Here answers will be like AA dash, AB dash, AC dash. And here BA dash, BB dash, C dash, CA dash. Alright. Again we will update our hash map. In this case, frequency of A will become 1 because we have used A 2 times. So again, no the frequencies of any character is not equals to 0. That means we can use all the three characters again. In this case also, we can use all three characters again, A, B, C. And in this case, we can use only two characters, that is A and B. In this case again we can use all the three characters, A, B, and C. In this case we can use only A and C because we have used A, B 2 times here. Here we can again use A and B only because we have used C 1 time and frequency of C is 1. Here we have again two options, A and B, and here again we have two options, that is A and B. See, I'm going to write my answers with red pen so that you can differentiate between the answers. Triple A, AAB, AAC, ABA, ABB, ABC, ACA, ACB, CB, BAA, BAB, BAC, BBA, BBC, BCA, BCB, CAA, CAB, CBA, CBB. So these will be our answers. The ones we have I have write with red pen. Alright, so these will be our answers. So I hope you have understood the question. We just need to take the hash map also, and we will update the hash map here. Alright, so let's try to code. We are taking the input. We are taking the string as an input in the input, and then we are creating a hash map of character and integer, and we are again taking unique string. We will run a loop till str.length, and then we will extract the character from the string. Then we will check if the character is already present in map or not. If the character is already present, then we will just increase the frequency of that character in the map, and if the character is not present, then we will add the character to the map and we will store its frequency as 1. By default, the frequency of any character will be 1, and then we will add the character to unique string. Alright, so let's start with our code. What we need to do, we will check for int I is equals to 0, I is less than str length, I plus plus. Now we will extract a character again from the string str dot char at I, and then we will check if this character has the frequency greater than 0 or not. If the frequency of this character is greater than 0, then first we will map dot put th map dot get th. We will decrease its frequency, reduce its frequency by 1, and then we will call the function. String will remain same, map will remain same. We will just increase the current spot with 1. Spot will remain same, and in answer so far we will simply add the character, and in the end we will again increase the frequency. We will again just change the frequency again so that we can do the changes we have done. All right. In the base case, if cs is equals to ts plus 1, or we can say cs becomes greater than ts, we will simply print our answer so far, and then return from here. All right, let's try to run this. Let's try to submit. All right, so I hope you have understand what we were doing here. We are just taking the hash map so that we can store the frequencies of the characters, and then we are solving the question similarly as the previous ones. Okay, we just need to update the frequency map only. So I hope you have understand what we were doing. So we'll meet in another question again. Till then, tata, bye bye, and thank you so much.